Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Girl with Anita. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you very much for subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate that. I don't take it for granted. If you're stopping by for the very first time, you're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like our video, and share it to others so that it will get to others and it will also help the algorithm. So guys, and also don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post any video. So guys, let's jump right into the video. So for this recipe today, it's gonna be a very simple one as usual. It's going to be a cleanser. I call it cleanser, the magic cleanser, because it's gonna help us clear our system, clear all those toxins and backed up poop that we've been carrying along. It's gonna help flush out all those toxins from your body. It's gonna help with weight loss. You're gonna feel light after this recipe. So guys, without much wasting time, let's jump right into the video. So for this recipe, we are going to be using cucumber, orange, lemon, chia seed, and ginger. Cucumber here, you can use one depending on the batch you want to produce. If you want to produce more, you can use all of it. If you want to produce little amount, you can have this cucumber. You can cut it into two. Cucumber helps with weight loss, helps you feel hydrated, keeps you fuller for long. It protects you against diseases. The next thing here we have is orange. Orange has a lot of vitamins, it's good for immunity, has a lot of fibers that will keep your skin fresh and keep your system flushed out. So the next one here is lemon, guys. Lemon, the importance cannot be overemphasized. So guys, the lemon here is for weight loss, lowers blood pressure, lowers our glucose level, and also helps with weight loss. So the next one there is our ginger. Ginger is also good for inflammation, weight loss, immunity, and keeping our system strong. So the next one here is our chia seed. This chia seed is the chief of this recipe. I call it the chief because this recipe here, this is the main ingredient here, because this chia seed has more iron than spinach, it has more omega-3 than salmon, it has more calcium than milk, and it has more vitamin C than orange. Can you imagine that? Can you beat that? So that's why I call it chief. For those in Nigeria, they will know it. They will understand what I mean by oga bata bata of it all. So this chia seed is the oga bata bata of this recipe. So guys, let's jump right into the main event. So first off, I'm gonna cut my cucumber and put it in the blender. If you have a juicer, you can use a juicer, but if you don't have, you can use a blender. You're not removing anything. You can remove the skin if you don't want the skin. For the cucumber, I mean, you can remove the skin, but I washed it with vinegar and baking soda. So guys, if you want to use the skin, you can. If you don't want to use it, it's okay. So I cut it. The orange. Guys, people that have severe constipation, this is gonna help you. If you've been battling with constipation, trust me, it's gonna help you. I've washed my lemon as well. Washed it. Throw it to the blender. Next is our ginger. Now, as we have finished cutting that, this thing is the other butter, the main ingredient in this recipe, which is our chia seed. This is, I call it the miracle seed. Chia seed. So we're gonna use a tablespoon. That's a tablespoon. That's a tablespoon. I'm gonna add it. So guys, so our combo is here: our chia seed, cucumber, lemon, orange. So the next thing is we're going to add our water, room temperature water. We are gonna blend our mixture together. See that, guys? Look at this, guys. This is the miracle cleanser, guys. This is our magic combo. This is our magic combo, our system flusher. So we're gonna pour it into our jar, into your cup, whatever it is that you use to store it. It's okay. Oops. Look at that, guys. Good life. Cheers to the good life. So guys, this is the end result of our cleanser. So this is gonna cleanse you, wash your system, flush out all the toxins and backed up poop that have been disrupting your day-to-day activity. Trust me guys, it's gonna cleanse you. You feel relieved, you feel revived, you feel so good. Try it and let me know what you think.